Check this out. Modeled after a real tree. It's full of things to discover right here inside the trail center. There's all sorts of fun things down by the water. Within the water, there's some fish around in there. Turtle. And it goes all the way up. There's a bird. There's a bird with lots of fun things up to the top of the tree through the skylight. Way to go, Trailside Center. Touche. Checkmate. I don't know why I'm saying that or what any of that means, but it felt right in the moment. Along the way, lots of informational posts about life in nature. And other fun things to check out. Minerals. Snow owl. They're beautiful. Top of the tree. Let's see if we can take it down. Whoa. All the way down. With lots more to discover. Let's go check it out. We made it to the bottom of the tree. The tree of life. That might actually be Earth. Nope, that's a fake turtle. And up it climbs. But for now, it's time to check out. Look at this turtle, which is sunbathing up here in the rock. I thought it was a statue, but it is in fact real. There he goes. He lives under this lamp by the water. So cool. Circle of life. There's Mr. Fox. We are about to go in to the Lenape Native American home replica. Come on, let's check it out.
Stop the video. Stop the video.
Why?
Hello guys, welcome back to Science with Mr. Steele. Right now he's in a Lenape. What are you doing in here?
Hey, it's kind of cold outside. I'm just trying to warm up by the fire.
Yeah. Wow, these look really old, like wooden seats.
Yeah, well, we haven't advanced yet, but you know what? It's coming. I can feel it.
Here, would you like to tell everybody about your experience?
I've experienced the world of the Lenape Indian. Excuse me, Native American. I hear my son a-calling. It's time to leave this great native place and head back into the year 2025. Till then, see you later, Native American Gators.